Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So good to see you guys. Today I thought I would go over some of my current favorite shower faves with you guys. And I always, oh, there's my dog. Anyway, okay, back to it. So I wanted to go over some of my current shower favorites with you guys, but I feel like I'm constantly trying new products. I'm sure you guys know I'm always loving to try to find new amazing products. So as things shift, I will be sure to create an updated video, but as of right now, I just wanted to go over some of the stuff that I am constantly grabbing for every time I'm in the shower. So I thought I would start off with the head. Right now, I am just absolutely obsessed with anything r+co for the hair, but especially their shampoo and conditioners. I love these giant ones, so obviously these last me about like half the year and then I switch over. Right now I am using r+co Bel Air. It's a smoothing shampoo and conditioner, and I just love that it comes in these big jugs, and I love that it comes with these little, what are these? Push dispenser thingies. What are they called? Pumps. I love that it comes in these giant containers. These are 33.8 fluid ounces, and it comes with these pumps to make it super easy to wash my hair. I usually use like 2 to 3 pumps, especially with my hair at this length, but I just love them so much. This is a really great shampoo. One of my favorite things about it is that I feel like I get a really good lather. My hairstylist Barb, she always makes fun of me because I feel like I'm just that girl that needs a good lather and a foam, and I know that that technically isn't good for your hair. I believe in other cheaper shampoo and conditioner brands, it's SLS. I looked this up earlier. It's sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, that is in some of the shampoos that create that foam, and it's actually really not great for your hair because it just strips your hair of all your natural amazing oils that you want to keep in your hair. I've noticed that r+co shampoos do lather, but they make it very, very clear that it is paraben and sulfate free, SLS or SLES, whatever that is. It is petroleum and mineral oil free, cruelty and gluten free, vegan, and has UV protection in it. But I cannot say enough about r+co shampoo and conditioner. I even got some of my really good friends on it, and I think you will absolutely love it if you give it a try. Another r+co product that I'm really enjoying for my hair is this product called Crown. I love all of their packaging, but if you can see, there's like a crown on here. But this is a scalp scrub. Soothing scrub will detox, cleanse, and rebalance your scalp, and then it just feels really good. You cleanse with a walnut size of the scrub in your palms, and you just massage it into the entire scalp until you feel exfoliants fully dissolve. You'll feel the little crystals fully dissolve, and then you rinse thoroughly, and then afterwards your hair will feel shiny and royally clean, and you just follow up with some sort of conditioner for your like mid to the ends. A really funny story with this is my hairstylist was like, basically you use this in place of your shampoo once or twice a week, and you always follow up with conditioner. I heard her say that you could use it in place of something, and in my head I thought it was in place of conditioner because I'm so used to like body scrubs being really moisturizing, and I thought this was the same thing, but it's not. So it actually, you use this in place of shampoo, and you definitely want to follow up with some sort of conditioner. You'll see, if you give it a try, it definitely isn't conditioning. So I was just like, oh my god, like my hair feels awful, Barb. Like, what are you talking about? Like, this is not conditioning. I can't use this in place of conditioner. And they all laughed and made fun of me, but yes, use this in place of shampoo, but be sure to follow up with your favorite conditioner. But your scalp will definitely feel just refreshed, get rid of some of that dead skin. And I don't know about you guys, but I use a lot of dry shampoo, and I just feel like there's a lot of buildup eventually on your scalp. And so doing some sort of scrub like this is really nice to do it once in a while. A little bit more on hair, some of my favorite hair masks. So this is the Kerastase hair mask. This one I have been using for a long time, is now discontinued, but they come out with something very similar. This is such a luxurious hair mask, and just like, I just put it on and then I go about and do the rest of my shower routine, like shave and scrub and do all that, and then I rinse it out, and seriously makes my hair feel so soft and revived. And I do really think that Kerastase has some of the best hair masks. And you guys know in one of my previous videos I talk about the Overtone. This is the deep conditioning treatment, but it has color in it. I'm not currently yellow right now, but I will maybe soon later on in the summer. I will do this again. But Overtone is just so fun, has so many different colors. They even have a clear one if you just want one with no color, but I'll be sure to link my video using this below. Obviously the color takes a little bit better if you have a little bit of bleaching and some blonde moments, but they also have some color for brown hair and stuff like that, so you have a really fun like purple or reddish tint to your hair, especially if you get in the sun. But highly recommend checking this out. Makes your hair feel really soft and amazing, but adds some fun color. And then after I'm done with my hair, or usually if I like have a mask going on or my conditioner, I usually clip it up and then I move on to the rest of my body. So first I hit up my face, my absolute favorite. You guys have heard me talk about this. This is actually the very bottom of this bottle, and I have an extra one ready to go. This is one of my absolute favorite face washes right now. This is the Trader Joe's face wash with tea tree oil, and I talk about this in my Trader Joe beauty favorites, and I will be linking that video for you to check out below. This is so refreshing in the shower because something about the tea tree oil just really makes your skin feel clear and so squeaky clean, and also just like so refreshed. It leaves you feeling like like absolutely just leaves this like fresh feeling, cooling effect. And especially when you're in like a hot steamy shower, it just feels so good to use this face wash. And again, pro tip, I talk about this before, be careful about not getting it in your eye. Something about the tea tree oil just really stings your eyes, girl, so be careful about that. Other than that, I really enjoy this face wash, and this is the only thing that I've been reaching for in my shower. Okay, moving on to the body. So after I wash my face, I move on to cleansing the body, and my current favorite is this Baby Dove tip to toe wash. This is a baby body wash, but obviously it's gentle and nourishing enough for a baby, for baby soft skin, then it is good enough for me, okay? This is a pH neutral formula, goes beyond mild cleansing with a rich creamy lather that replenishes essential nutrients to help skin retain its natural moisture. It leaves skin feeling clean and soft, and it's delicately scented. I actually found this from a influencer. Her name is Ashlyn, but she just talked about how this is a really good wash, especially for, you know, us women in our lady areas, because it is a pH neutral formula, but this just really feels nice. And I just put a whole bunch of pumps of this into one of my shower poofs, and I just lather and clean off my body, and it is been really lovely. So highly recommend this if you're looking for a nice, gentle, and moisturizing body wash to use. And then next, I wanted to talk to you guys about my favorite cleansing oils that I have been using. Cleansing oils have really just left my skin feeling extra soft lately. And in case you live in an area that doesn't have Trader Joe's, this one is a really great body oil too that you can order online. This is the Glossier Body Hero Daily Oil Wash, and then this one is the Trader Joe's cleansing oil with almond oil. It's really nice basically on the days that I feel like my skin just needs an extra dose of moisture. I just pile a whole bunch of this oil, and then when you lather it, it becomes this like really white, creamy, silky, and then I just rub myself down with all this oil, and then I rinse off, and my skin is left feeling super moisturized and soft and clean. So highly recommend trying out cleansing oils if you guys haven't tried that. And then, especially in the summertime, I am already getting a little bit peely from just spending more time in the sun. I use a lot more of these. This one is amazing from Trader Joe's. This is a grapefruit ginger sugar scrub. Also, what I really love is the Bath & Body Works sugar scrubs as well. The sugar crystals for the Bath & Body Works ones are a little bit bigger, so those crystals, I feel like I can't really get them to like melt all the way when I'm working it into my skin. But the sugar crystals from the Trader Joe's scrubs are a little bit more fine, so I definitely feel like I can kind of really melt it into my skin as I'm working it in. They feel really nice, and I feel like it just really helps get that dead skin off and leaves your skin feeling baby smooth. So highly recommend getting into some sugar scrubs for your body, especially during the summer months when you're getting a little bit more sun. If you have a Trader Joe's near you, highly recommend giving this shave cream a try. It's not like super thick. It just is kind of like simple and exactly just what you need. Like it doesn't like foam up and get too crazy. It just leaves your skin feeling really slick, so then the shaver can just glide through whatever you need. And it just is simple, a lot of bang for your buck, and leaves your skin feeling super soft. I cannot say enough about the Billie razor. So I don't know about you guys, again, Instagram ads got me, but I was seeing ads about this razor and I was just like, you know what, I just want to give it a try. But it's kind of cool. It's one of those like subscription things. I don't know what this sorcery is, but it gets so close. It's like such a close shave, and I feel like some sort of like sorcery technology that I feel like I can like be kind of like haphazard and get a little bit crazy, and I'm not afraid of getting nicked or anything. Knock on wood, watch next time I get a cut or something. But I don't know, it's just a really easy razor to use, and sometimes it like glides so smoothly that I'm like, is it even like cutting the hair? But I end up being really smooth, really close shave. And then it comes with this like little guy that you just like stick in your shower, and it's like a magnet, and then there's a magnet in here too, so then you just like boop, and just like boop it on there, and it's like just so easy to go on and off. It's not like a clip or anything. Seriously, cannot say enough about the Billie razor. It is the best razor that I've ever used, and I'm so excited that I finally tried it. If you're looking for a razor that is just easy to use and really super close shave, girl, this is the razor for you. And it comes in really cute colors and stuff like that too. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. These are my current shower faves, and of course, you know I won't let you guys down. I will put everything that I talked about in the description box below, and also link some of the videos that I mentioned. And as always, please feel free to leave me any questions in the comment section below. Happy to answer any questions for you. As always, be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so you're notified when I post my next video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Please be sure to take care of yourselves and each other, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.